Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today discuss about Alexander Pope essay on criticism. Okay, so Alexander Pope published an essay on criticism in 1711, a didactic power written in heroic couplets influenced by the Horatian tradition, advice plus satire. The poem focuses more on how to be a good critic than how to be a writer. Pope strongly argues that bad criticism harms literature and society more than bad writing. Neoclassical context and idea of nature. The poem reflects the ideals of the neoclassical age: order, balance, reason, and harmony. Pope emphasizes following nature, which means universal truth, natural order, and artistic balance. He advises critics to learn from classical masters like Aristotle, Horace, Homer, and Longius. Structure of the poem: three major parts, line number 1 to 200, principles of the good criticism. The Pope establishes that nature is the supreme standard. A good critic must understand the whole work, not just parts. Follow natural sense, not rigid rules. Maintain balance and proportion. And line number part 2, lines 201 to 559. Errors of bad critics. Proud and arrogant, drives by jealousy and malice, obsessed with ornament and superficial beauty, making partial judgment. Okay, such critics fail because they lack true understanding and humility. So the line number part 3, 5600 to 744, ideal critic, humble and unbiased, honest and courageous, free from envy and personal bias, guided by reason and moral sense. A good critic improves literature instead of destroying it. Qualities of good critic versus bad critic. Good critic: humble, objective, balanced, follows nature and classical standards, gives constructive and judgment. Bad critic: proud, jealous, narrow-minded, focused on faults only, lacks knowledge but pretends to judge. Pope's key advice: Pope warns critics, do not become slaves to rules. Judge the entire work, not isolated parts. Use common sense and experience. Famous quotation, some timeless lines from the poem including a little learning is a dangerous thing. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. These lines highlight the danger of half knowledge and the overconfidence. Okay, so criticism and legacy. Although Pope promotes humility, critics point out that his idea of nature is somewhat vague. He himself sometimes shows pride. Still, Pope remains central figure of neoclassical criticism, and this poem is one of the most important works on literary criticism in English literature. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.